Students, we will discuss in this chapter different more features, more extra features of MS PowerPoint. So let's begin.
So students, very first we will discuss each and every topic, each and every important content related to this chapter. So that contents are very first, entering a table means how to insert a table, inserting a table. Then entering data in a table means how to enter data in a particular table. Then we will discuss about table tools and formatting a table style means how to format or how to change the different formatting of the table. We can learn each and every part in this topic. Afterward, how to set alignment text in a data in a table, and then we will discuss chart and its component, and finally we will discuss inserting and formatting a chart means if we will insert any chart, then how to represent chart in a better format. So each and every content we will discuss one by one. So first, inserting a table. So how to insert a table? Some steps are given below. You all so very first we will follow some steps. Very first step is there, click on new slide. Okay, from drop down arrow on the home tab, click on home tab, and then you will select new slide from drop down menu, and then select title and content layout. Okay, so as like that picture given, see this type of picture given. So we will discuss this means we can explain each and everything in this picture. See, in this picture all the contents means how to insert table in a slide. So very first we can do that by using this picture. Okay, after that second step, click on the insert table. Okay, when we will click on insert table icon, then easily one new dialog box will appear, and in that one define the number of column and row in inserting table dialog box. So in that dialog box we will write how many columns and how many row we want to insert. So we will write that number of column and row, and then click on OK button. Okay, and finally a table will display according to the defined row and columns. So all the things are clear, maybe up to here means how to insert a table in a PowerPoint. Next step, entering data in a table means how to enter data in a table. So some steps we will follow to enter data in a table. Okay, so first step is there, place the mouse pointer in the first cell of the table means where we want to insert data in a table. Very first we will place our mouse pointer in that related cell. So by default first cell will be there, and type heading. Okay, then press the tab key to take the insertion point to the next cell means if we want to move out on next cell, then we will press which tab, which key, tab key. Okay, and afterward next type heading for the next cell, move the cursor to the insert data in the other field cell. Okay, of the table using either the mouse or the tab or arrow key means there are 4 arrow key given, this type of arrow key given in your keyboard. Okay, so you can use this type of arrow key, or you can use tab key, or you can use your mouse cursor also. Okay, so now next step, then after typing data, okay, in the table, click on anywhere outside in the table. Okay, so then whatever you want to insert, that data will be insert easily. and some means tips also given in this figure, so you can read the figure also, means you can read each and every steps very nicely. Very first, to edit data in a table, click on the cell to modify and make change in it. Okay, if you want to modify your data or information which you inserted in your table, so you can do it very easily. Okay, another thing, to insert new row in a table, then place the cursor, menu will appear, and then you will select insert option. Which option? You will select insert option and click either on the insert row above or insert row below, means where you want to insert any row, you can select insert row above or insert row below. Okay, and afterward you can select any these options from the layout tab, means from layout tab you can select any these options. Okay, in third step, means third tips, if you want to apply different background color, means each and every cell if you want to means design with a different color, so you can do it also very easily. So to do this one, very first select the table by clicking anywhere on its border, means where you want to select, you can select anywhere by clicking on the border, then click on the save fill button. Okay, which button? Save fill button, it is given also. So in the drawing group of the home tab, means on the home tab you click on drawing group, and then you will click on save fill button. Select a color of your choice, means afterward you can select your color, means which color you want to insert in a table, you can select that color, and then whatever selected color, it will be inserted in your table. Okay, and fourth tips, it is given to delete a row or column from a table. If you want to delete any row or any column from the table, you can do it very easily also, because sometimes we want to delete some row or some columns, then how we can delete? So very first select which row or column you want to delete. Okay, then click on delete button in the right, in the row and column group. Okay, on the layout tab, and select the required option, means if you want to delete row, then you will select row. If you want to delete column, then you can select column. So all the things are clear, means how to entering data in a table, how to delete data from the table, how to apply background color, how to insert new row or new column. Okay, so all the things maybe it is clear to you all. Okay, so now we are going on next topic, and that is the table tools. This topic name is table tools. See, table tools are the top, means tools where different types of tools are available related to a table. Okay, when you insert a table in a PowerPoint 2010, a new table tool will appear. Okay, so we can fill various tools and commands present on the design and layout tab. Okay, such a border, shading, draw table, table style, merge cell and split cell. These things we can use from table tool. Okay, so these all the tools also given in this figure. So see this figure very carefully and see each and every tools and it is divided also in different options, that is design tab, and here it is layout tab. Okay, so all tools are divided in that both tab, design tab as well as layout tab. So maybe you all understood what is table tool and how and what are the different table tool contents. Okay, so we will discuss next topic, means style. So when we insert a table, PowerPoint automatically applies a table style to the table. Okay, we can view various styles in the table style group under the design tab in table tool tab. Okay, when we click on table tool, click on design tab, then select table style. So automatically that which we want to apply the style, it is different styles will automatically apply on the table. Okay, so how to apply that styles on the table? So very first we select the table, which table we want to apply the different styles. Okay, then click on design tab. Okay, to access all the table styles and other option also of this tab. Then click on the more drop down arrow and then table style group to view all the options. Okay, means all options we can see from table style group. And then at last click on the desired style which we want to select, means which style we want to insert, we can select it very easily. Next, how to change the table heading. If we want to change the table heading, we can do it very easily also. See, very first select the table which heading we want to change, then click on the design tab. Okay, then select the row and or column which you want to modify, means if you want to modify row, then select that particular row. If you want to modify column, then select the particular column. Okay, then click on the shading option in the table style group. Select your color, means which color you want to select, you will select your color, and then select any other options from the drop down list of the shading command, means which shading you want to apply, you can select that shading also very easily. Okay, so maybe you all understood what is the formatting of the table style, what is table style, and how to change the heading of the table. So now I am going to move on next topic, that is the how to apply a border. Means if you want to apply a border in MS PowerPoint, you can do it also very easily. Across the table you can apply the border. So very first select that particular cell or column or row, means which you want to modify. Very first select anyone from there, then click on the drop down arrow next to the border button. Okay, and select the style, table style, which style you want to insert from the design tab. Okay, then select all border options from the drop down menu, means one drop down menu will be there, you can select all border option. Okay, what all border means which option you have selected, that type of border will insert in your table. Understood? So next is there border color. Border color means if you want to change the color of the border, then you can do it also very easily. So very first we will select the table, means in which table we want to select border, or in which border we want to change the color, we will select that particular table, then click on the pen color. Which color? Pen color button. Okay, in the draw border group from the design tab, means to insert from color palette. See, this is the color palette it is given, you can select any color from here. Okay, then click on the border, whose color you want to change, whose color you wish to change, you will select that particular border, that border color will be changed automatically. Okay, so next topic is there, how to change the border style. If you want to change the border style, then very first select which table border style you want to change, then click on table tool, select design tab, and then click on the pen style list box. Okay, so see here it is pen style list box, you can select. When you will click on that, one drop down menu will appear in front of us, then place the mouse pointer anywhere on the table, and which pen style, which border you want to which style you want to change of the border, you can select from pen style and click on it. Then when you will click on the particular border which you want to change, then automatically that border will become change. So maybe all the things are clear up to here. Next topic is there, alignment setting, means text, aligning text in a table. Means if you want to set the alignment of the text in a table, we can do it also by using some following steps. Very first, what is alignment? Alignment refers the position of the text in a table, okay, and it may be cell, row or column. So by default text is aligned to the top of the cell, okay, so it is by default option. If you want to change your alignment, you can do it very easily. There are 6 type of alignment we can do: left, center, right, top, center and bottom. Means 2 type of horizontal and 2 type of vertical. In horizontal, left, center, right; in vertical, top, center and bottom, okay. See, if without chart any representation is looking not good, so what is chart and how to insert chart, we will discuss these things, okay. So what is chart? Very first we will discuss. Chart is an effective way to display graphical as well as pictorial representation of the data. Means what data we are using, we can use it in the form of pictorial or in the form of graphical. Means graphical way also is very easy to access, to understand the data and information, and pictorial form also very easy to understand the data and information, okay. So it is easier to compare and growth. Means if you want to compare multiple values, we can represent by using chart very easily. We can see the relationship among the values, and also chart provide accurate analysis of the information. Chart provide accurate analysis of the information also. So there are some components of the chart, it is given below. First one, chart area. The chart area includes the complete axis, okay. This is y axis and this is x axis. So vertical axis is known as y axis and horizontal axis is known as x axis, okay. So horizontal axis means horizontal axis represented by category axis. Means category axis also known as horizontal axis, and on this axis we can represent the subject of analysis. Means on which subject we are doing analysis, that subject we will represent on category axis. Next is their value axis. Value axis generally vertical axis, or we can say that y axis, and it represents the value of the chart, okay. So next is their data series. So data series are the bar, slice or the other element that shows on the table values. Means which show on the table value that represents by the bar or slice or other different elements, that is the data series. Afterward, category name. If you want to change the name of the table displayed on the y axis or x axis, then you can do it from the category name. Next one is their plot area. The plot area is wisdom within the chart area. It contains the actual chart, okay, and plotted data series, category axis and value axis. Next one is their legend. It despite the color pattern or symbol that are assigned to the data series, okay. Next one is their chart title. If you want to represent your title of your chart, you can do it by using chart title. And finally, grid lines. Grid lines are horizontal or vertical lines depending on the selected chart type, okay. they extended across the plot area chart. So maybe all the things are clear up to here. Next option is there, chart and its components. So we can learn or we can understand very easily from this picture. Each and every part is given: chart area, chart title, plot area, data series, value axis, category name, grid lines, category axis, as well as legend. So each and every part represented by using this figure, you all can see it very easily. Okay, you all maybe understand very easily also by using this figure. So see this figure very clearly, very nicely, and understood each and every part very easily. So now next topic is there, inserting a chart. Means we are knowing very well what is chart, what are the components of chart. So now how to insert a chart. Very first, click on layout button present on the home tab. Okay, then select the title and content layout. Okay, select the title and content layout from the drop down menu and select add title or placeholder type from the chart title name. Okay, then click on insert chart button or insert chart icon on the slide. Afterward, select the chart type, left pane, and then subtype of the selected chart will be displayed or reflected on the right pane. Next is there, select any chart and click on OK. Then what chart you want to insert, it will automatically insert in your MS PowerPoint document. Next topic is there, changing the chart type. If you want to change the type of the chart, you can do it also by using some following steps. Very first, select which chart you want to change, then click on the design tab under the chart tool. Okay, next click on the change chart type button, then type group. Okay, select any chart type and click on OK button. So next topic is there, modifying chart layout. Means how to modify any chart layout. So we will follow some given steps to modifying our chart. Okay, so very first, select the insert chart and click on the design tab. Very first, select the insert chart and click on the design tab. Chart layout by clicking on more drop down arrow. By clicking more drop down arrow. Okay, so very first we can select the chart and click on OK, design tab, and then in second option we will, means in next step, select required chart layout. Means there are different type of chart will be there, and we will select any chart layout which we want to insert in our MS PowerPoint. Okay, again click on more drop down arrow and it is given in chart layout group. So maybe all the things are clear up to here. Next, additional chart formatting. So how to do additional chart formatting. So very first I am going to explain each and every things. First, use the tool on the format tab to modify the chart in various ways. Means if we want to modify the chart in different ways, in different various ways, we can use format tab. Okay, second one, using format tab we can change the chart outline, format, and the chart text, and many more things we can change by using format tab. Okay, so in this one we will do different things, such as changing the shape, style, and color. So very first, select the line that you want to change. Okay, next one, select quick style from the shape style group, and it is given on the format tab under the chart tools. Okay, next To view more quick styles, if we want to insert any more quick styles, then we will click on more button and select desired style, means different styles will be given, so we will select desired style. So all the things whatever we changed in the chart, it will display in front of us. Next one, changing the background color and patterns. If we want to change the background color and the pattern of the chart, we can do it very easily by using following steps. Very first, right click on the plot area. Okay, right click on the plot area and then select the format plot area option from the context menu. Okay, select format plot area option from the context menu. Afterward, select the border style, border color, shadow, effect according to your choice, means which you want to choose, means which you want to change. Okay, if you want to change only border style, you can select border style only. If you want to select border color or shadow effect only, so according to your need, according to our choice, we can select, means different options. Afterward, click on fill tab. Fill tab will be there. We click on fill tab, then click on picture or texture fill, means whatever we want to fill, picture or texture, we will select that from the right pane. Okay, it will means looking in the finally click on the close button. Whatever changes we will do, means whatever changes we have done, it will display in front of us. Okay, so next topic is there, assignment question. So maybe all the things are clear, you all understood very well each and every things, each and every topics. So according to the given topics, according to the given chapter, some more important question will be there. So you all will read this chapter very nicely, afterwards see the video very nicely, then you can, means you will do these questions answer. Okay, first question, write short note on MS PowerPoint. So in this question you all will write what is MS PowerPoint and what are the main features of MS PowerPoint. Afterward, write any 5 important tools of MS PowerPoint, then write short note on chart. Afterward, write any 5 components of chart, and then finally write the shortcut key for slideshow option from the beginning. So these are most important questions related to this chapter. So you all will do it also, and afterward whatever chapter is there given, you all will read it very nicely, see the video twice or thrice, and complete the assignment work as soon as possible. Okay, thank you so much students, thank you.